主机线束介绍。主机产品说明书。产品线束 NFC 手机模块和转接线。NFC 转接线。刹车线。
Adapt the brake line to the original plug. The original brake plug is above the brake pedal. The brake plug is here. Connect the adapter. Remove passenger side lower trim panel. Main connector above passenger side lower trim. Disconnect the plug from inside. Connect it to the product's adapter. Then, plug the other end of the product back in. Connect the product brake line to the backup brake line. Interface the product's phone module with the GPS. If equipped with NFC, connect the adapter to this plug. If not, this plug can be ignored. Do not connect this plug, simply insulate it. Finally, connect the main unit to complete the installation.